Here's the very impressive 32cm high Cyclops. Pretty much the same size as the original one featured in Ray Harryhausen's 1958 classic The Seventh Voyage of Sinbad. Detailing here is extraordinary. The Cyclops stands an impressive 32 centimeters high, the same height as the original one used in the film. It also comes with a Cyclops base. This mini Cyclops is 17 centimeters high and has all of the details of the large Cyclops creature. Incredible detail in the skin texture, the eye and the colouring. And is a welcome partner to the larger Cyclops. Very nice. And has an interesting pose, very much the way Ray Harryhausen would have posed the creatures at the time with the stance. From 1 million years BC, the Triceratops. This impressive piece stands 40 centimeters long and has incredible detail here on the scaly outer body, the eyes and the horns. Having seen the original up close many times, this is a really decent representation. You'd think you were looking at Ray Harryhausen's original. Now, this impressive box houses the Allosaurus from 1 million years BC. Standing an impressive 32 centimeters high, it comes with a small figure of Tumak, who battles the Allosaurus in the film. And of course, this piece was created as part of the centenary of Ray Harryhausen, who would have been 100 years old this year. Let's get this big beast unboxed. This is extremely well packed. It contains the main dinosaur, now this particular version of the model set doesn't include Tumak, that's for the deluxe version, but it's still very impressive. And it comes with a footplate as well. This piece has incredible detail, just like the original model from the film, and is the same scale as well to the original Allosaurus from 1 million years BC. Star Ace have done a beautiful job here with the sculpture, the colouring and the finish on this piece. Incredible detail. Looks as if it's going to step straight out of the box and come to life.